Welcome. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you an eggplant sauce recipe. It promises to be really yummy, and make sure you give it a try. If today's your first time here, don't forget to show your support by clicking on the like, share and subscribe if you haven't. So today I'm going to be using this type of eggplants. There are so many different ones in the store. There's the long ones, the other bigger type, but this is my preferred choice. I like it because it has more seeds. So if you don't like it because of the seeds, you can buy the other types. And then for some of you, you have the ones that are white, green or yellow. So any one will work, is the same thing. I'm going to be using blended crayfish, cayenne pepper to taste, salt to taste, seasoning cube, garlic powder, scallops, shrimps. And I'm going to be using these mini sweet peppers, fresh ginger, canola oil. And I'm going to be using bell pepper, so you can use any color you want. I'm using 1 tomato paste, and then I have 2 onions, mushrooms, and I have 1 bunch of spring onions here. And over here I have turkey, so you can use any meat of your choice. I do not have the spices for my turkey here, so you will see that when I'm spicing my meat to see what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to add things like thyme, curry, rosemary, fried onions and stuff like that. So I'll list it on the screen when I'm spicing my meat for the pressure cooker. And we're going to be having this with semi-ripe plantains. So keep watching and we'll get straight to cooking our turkey, and then we're going to cook the eggplant as well. Thank you. it. Our eggplant sauce is ready with plantains. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time when I bring you another recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.